Okay, it's on. Let me get the dog hair off the floor. There's plenty of dog hair with this dog right here in the house. But you know what? We love Roscoe. We love Roscoe? Yeah, we love Roscoe. We're going to be doing a neat little video where I am going to be installing let's call it an aftermarket TV stand on this Sharp Aqueous Quatron 3D 70-inch TV. Yep, this is actually a 70-inch TV. It's about, I'd say it's about 6 or 7 years old. And we had it behind our bed, and I couldn't find the stand for it. We're going to repurpose this TV in our kids' apartment. So we couldn't find the stand for it. So I went on Amazon. Yeah, I went on Amazon and I found a stand that says it will hold up to 88 pounds. But I have my doubts, because let me show you this stand. I've already opened it up because originally I wasn't going to make a video of it, but I decided to make a video of it because it's like one of those things where I didn't really think the stand would work. Let me show you all this stand, and this is the stand. What do you need? While we're going into the cabinet here and making dinner. Okay, so there's my hand. To put it into perspective, that is the size of the base of this stand that's going to hold that 70-inch TV up. Okay, it is tempered glass, and I've already put the feet on it. And this right here is the back plate where you mount your TV on it, like if you were to hang on a wall. And guys, I'm just going to tell you what. This is the smallest, I don't know, wall mount, what you're going to call it, I've ever seen for such a large TV. Again, it says that it will hold 88 pounds, okay? Oh, I didn't even tell you what the name of it was, so let me show you guys the name of it. So that's it right there. It's a Pearl Gear, what do you want to call it? This one is the PGTV S26. Okay, and so that's what it looks like when it's fully assembled. So, and it even says right here, okay, does your TV, including the accessories, weigh less than 88 pounds? Yes, it does. According to the Sharp documentation, it says this TV weighs exactly, without the original stand, 83 pounds. So I don't know, guys. We're going to see if we're going to put this thing together, and we're going to see if this stand works. I got all the parts and pieces and all the stuff right here, so let's go ahead and start putting this thing together. I'll time lapse it so you guys can see me putting this thing together. All right. guys. So we have this Pearly Gear Perlegear. We have this 70-inch sharp on this stand, and I mean it works, but it's sketch. So check this out. So there's the stand, and it's I mean it holds it, but it's, I mean that TV could go, it could go at any moment. So I guess the thing of it is, if you're gonna put this on a table, and if you got, you know, kids or something who's gonna be playing around the TV, I would yeah, I'd probably have to give a hard pass on this stand. But if you don't have any children whatsoever, and you don't plan on doing hard partying around your TV, it's perfectly fine. But if you have if you got kids that like to play around the TV and, you know, grab hold of things and push on things and do all kinds of kid stuff, you know, stuff that kids do, then I would have to discourage against this this TV stand. But anyway, I guess that's my review on it, and it will hold a 70-inch TV. Will it hold it? Yes. Will it hold it securely? That's debatable. So anyway, yeah, I mean that's all I can say about that. So hey, if you guys like my videos, please subscribe to No Grip NC Vlogs. Leave me a comment and hit the like button. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.